Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how it is that I not just fill, but completely transform my eyebrows. This video was highly requested, so let's go ahead and get started. I start off by combing the few hairs that I do have with the spoolie. For my brows, I use the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown with my Sigma small angled brush. I like to take off any excess product on the cap or the back of my hand, or else this can go south real quick. It also helps me quote unquote sharpen the eyebrow. To start off, I underline my brows starting about 3/4 of the way in and do the same for the top section until I connect the two outlines to the tail. With whatever product I have left, I'll use that to fill in the actual brow in between the two lines. And because I have no hair at the front part of my eyebrows, I grab some more product and I change the position of the brush so it goes up and down, starting from the bottom to the top. You want to create hair-like strokes. If you have pretty full brows, you would make less hair strokes or not dip your brush back in to grab more products, or just completely skip this step. Once I am done with that part, with whatever product it is I have left, I will finish filling my brow in the spots that need it still. Taking my spoolie once again, I brush out my brows to eliminate any harsh lines, because you know blending is key. Because of the fact that I don't have much hair, I go in again and fill in any areas where the spoolie might have removed the product. Remember to take your time filling your brows. When you have such little hair, it is a process and it's better to work in layers to create a more 3D brow versus the box brow. And then you have to brush any harsh lines again, because like I said, this is a process. Once I have reached this point, I take my concealer. I like to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard on my Sigma E46 and carve out my brows starting from the bottom. And I'll use my finger or a small fluffy brush to blend out the edges. I'll take a little more concealer and clean up the top of my brows, avoiding the front part of my brows. Also, make sure you keep count of how many times I say brows in this video, because it's a lot. And blend that in. To avoid any box looking brows, I'll take my spoolie and blend just the very front of my brows inward. Be very careful with this step because you don't want to get rid of all the hair-like strokes you have just made. And as you can see, bam, major brow transformation already. So same process for the other brow. I grab some Dipbrow and take the excess off. I underline the bottom of the brow, then the top, not starting at the very front. I fill in between the lines because you know this is a coloring book. I pick up more product and create my hairs at the front. Comb the product through. I go back in where needed, clean up my eyebrows with concealer, and blend it all out. I use my spoolie towards the front, and we are just about done. The last step is to take a brow gel. I use Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter to set those bad boys in place, and bam, your brows have completely transformed from basic to fleeky AF. You are now ready to apply the rest of your makeup and conquer your day, basically. I hope you guys enjoyed this too and it helped some of you out there. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I will see you in my next one.